just heard the most common sound in all of English. So let's talk about it. The most common sound in English is called the schwa. Yes, I know. We like to call it the caveman sound. And it's super easy to make. It comes from the throat. You just open up your jaw a little bit and say, This is a neutral vowel sound, which means it's always unstressed. Now, here are some example words.
Elbow, taken, pencil, syringe, ago. Anita has taken the syringe about 5 minutes ago.
Well, that will be all for today. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good things. It really helps us out. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comment section below, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.